All right, so here we go with question number 4 that you guys had on Tuesday. This is lesson 7. It would be in the Tuesday Google Classroom. So I've sent out grades and I'm just going over the answers. So let's follow our steps. Step 1, let's read the question. If 45 cookies serve 15 students, how many cookies are needed for 30 students? Okay, so let's identify what we are comparing. So I would go ahead and identify that we're doing cookies per students. That's what this question is about. Let's see what they're telling us. They're telling us that 45 cookies serve 15 students. So 45 goes with cookies, 15 goes with students. You want to make sure that everything stays horizontally in the same line. All right, what are they asking us? They're asking us how many cookies are needed for 30 students. So that 30, I need to decide, does it go on top or does it go on bottom? And so since that 30 is attached to students and I see that students is on bottom, I'm going to go ahead and put the 30 down at the bottom. And so this right here, my friends, is what we are looking for. How many cookies are needed for 30 students? So I'm going to set up my equivalent fractions, which is also a proportion. So here we go. And when I look, I don't need to use a unit rate because I can turn a 15 into a 30 fairly easily. I know that 15 times 2 is 30. So to keep things proportional or equivalent, I'm going to go ahead and do 45 times 2, which is 90. So there is my answer. I can feed 30 students is going to take 90 cookies. 90 cookies for 30 students. Here's my cookie. Chocolate chip. Yum, yum. All right. Hope that makes sense, guys. Talk to you later.